Okay, it's Alex here with Carolina Terrain. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy air box to make for drying your soil. Literally all you need is just a cardboard box, a simple fan, a desk fan like this, with a clip, and you just cut a hole to fit, and then the outlet hole. And then I put the sample into just a brown bag like this and label it the client's name. And then just to transport the bag, I carry it in just a Ziploc bag like this. Usually filling one of these bags full to the top is enough soil for one sample. So if you're taking multiple, just fill multiple bags. So this reduces the time to dry by about 50%. And then I just close this up like this. Just got one hand, so I gotta do this like that, and I just keep it closed, and then we turn this on high. And what that does is just blows air through the box and dries the soil out. And then once the soil is dried, I put that brown bag back into this plastic bag, so don't throw it away. And then you can use like a small hammer or something like this to pulverize it. It's totally optional, but this gives you a much more cohesive sample, because once it's pulverized, I then classify it through these different size mesh. So I end up with basically a fine powder, and I fill up one of these boxes that's provided by the state of North Carolina. I'm not sure if you're in a different state or different country if they have something like this, but we send it off to NC State and they do the testing, and then in about 2 weeks we get the results. All you need to do is fill out the client's name, address, and then a sample ID. So this can be anything. So since this is the backyard, I'll probably call it like B yard or something like that. And then there is instructions on here, and there's a form that you fill out online. And if this is too complicated, this is something that we can do for you. This is what the form looks like. So you can fill it out by paper. It's easier to do online, it's a lot quicker. And you put your sample ID here, so that could be B yard. You can put in things like how much lime you put, and then you need to add the lawn/garden code. So typically it's 026 for lawn, not centipede. If you have centipede grass, it's 022, and this is for North Carolina only. And you can see there's other codes for different other types of plants, but this is a service that we provide and that we recommend for every client that's doing a major grading, sod, plants, just to ensure that they have the correct soil pH and nutrition value. At that time, we can also add organic matter like compost. But yeah, Alex with Carolina Terrain. Thanks.